In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a process mapping template in Lucidchart. We'll walk through the steps together to help you easily understand and create your very own process map, whether for personal use, educational purposes, or professional needs. Lucidchart is an intuitive platform, and once you get started, you'll find it's an invaluable tool for visualizing processes. First, let's head over to Lucidchart. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Lucidchart's homepage. If you haven't already created an account or logged in, now is the time to do so. Click on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure to type it in accurately, then go ahead and click next. After that, you will need to enter your password, so type that in carefully and click login again. This will bring you to the Lucidchart main page where all of your documents can be accessed. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a new button. Click on it to begin creating a new document. Among the options that appear, select Lucidchart to ensure you're working within the correct tool. You'll then be presented with the option to either click on a blank document and start from scratch, or choose to create from a template. For our purposes, let's use a template because it can really speed up the process and provide a good foundation. Select Create from Template. When you click this, you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates. Scroll through until you find the one that suits your needs. Select it by clicking on Use Template. This action will open the template in your workspace, allowing you to start customizing it right away. Next, let's personalize this template to fit your specific process needs. You can edit shapes by clicking directly on them. Simply click on a shape to highlight it and start making changes. If you'd like to add more elements to your chart, click and drag from the available shapes in the shape panel over to your work area. This way you can insert and arrange additional process steps or elements as needed. Finally, you may want to edit the text and fonts to better suit the style or branding of your process map. To do this, click on the menu bar. From here you can adjust text size, font style and other formatting options to ensure readability and a polished look. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to create professional grade process mapping templates with Lucidchart. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft a detailed and functional process map that suits all your needs. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Happy charting!